Hello everyone. So there is many video don't buy this tool. So this is video don't buy this is accessorize. Actually I believe it's often you can see sales. It's very cheap set, but for example I use this is bit holder few times and voila, we have two parts. It just crack right here, and this part still here, and this part I try and use after it's cracked, but I use it with drill, but you can see it's not hold anymore bits. Yeah, it's too short and this is not hold, but I can finish my job, but a few times use it and it's just total garbage. So I use some other bits from this set, like this one. Yeah, you can see what's happened. So I use this one, so you can see poor quality, very poor quality. I don't know why, but this is definitely very soft metal. Actually there is not only DeWalt, they have same sets, but it will be Bosch or rigid. Even I see few times Milwaukee in our case, but still same quality bits. Actually this is bits I use few times. I mean I just few screws, it's make just a few screws and that's it. I don't know why, but this is American version and it's very bad. This is European version, same it can be same set, you see, China, DeWalt, but it's much more better than this one. I don't know why it's so bad, but it's a little bit different. Yeah, you see. So don't buy this set, don't waste your money. Maybe if you find it, they already don't do set like this. This is DeWalt Max Speed. It's really good quality. This is these bits already have hundreds of the screw and no problem. I know this is this bit will broken after few thousand. Yeah, maybe better take black, this one, but definitely not this set. Okay, I hope I help you. Have a good day. Bye. See you next time. Write the comment. Subscribe the channel. See you.